So this is, what did we say, 22? It's 15 years old?
15 years.
15 years old. And it's supposed to break at 22 kilonewtons. So we're on 16.
Yeah, there she goes.
20 kilonewtons. So in 2 kilonewtons.
It's already deformed.
That's as strong as it was when it left.
Yeah.
Already over. Yes. Well, it's an old carabiner, so it's got harder over time. I've screwed it up, so it can't open up. So you'd think it would be stronger. If we'd done the gate open test, it would have broken below the rated strength.
It was the nose?
Yeah, it was the nose?
Yeah.
It was a non-keylock nosed one. It was a latched nose.
Yeah.
So that's the smallest part of it.
Yeah.
And now, this is how flexible it is.